pecho. Raise the flag up. Come on, big boy. Come on, come on, come on. Tada. Do this, mommy and daddy will be happy, and your teacher in the school also, they will be proud of you. Always clean your mess. If you see a beautiful lady, what you will say? Only kidding. They support the both of teams. Look at this. One more time, Amazon. We will show up, habibi. Look, Russia. Come on, come on. Where is he going? Now it's the largest birds around the world, from Russia to Dubai. Let's welcome Mr. Andre the Giant.
I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Yo, that was the American chicken. Hello everybody, my name is Firas, and up there, did you win? The best in the music always. We saw the American chicken. What about the birds from Brazil? Tom and Jerry coming to fly here? Check this, with the friends always together, flying together, playing together, eating together. The national bird of Brazil, the lovely Santonio. One more time, or last one, the kids sit down, don't raise your hand up, don't move too much because the bird's scared. Happy Tom and Jerry, look at the corner, who's coming to say hello? The girl largest Macau around the world, Sultan and Fatima. Khalid Akbar Macau. Friends, you can roll a video, take a photo, but please no flashlight. صوروا فيديو صور بس بدون ضوء الفلاش لو سمحتوا. The birds get from the flash. After Sultan and Fatima, thank you, somebody coming, we have a message to all of you, and he will raise the flag way up. عنده رسالة لكل الموجودين، بعدين رفع علم الإمارات العربية المتحدة مع كل الاحترام طبعا. Let's welcome together second largest Macau, Greenway Macau, ثاني أكبر مكاو بالعالم والترينر مانيا. We have a message. What is the message, big boy? W, work. E, extra work. L, love. C, care. O, T, mama. E, and say, welcome everybody to Big Bad Petro. Raise the flag up. Come on, big boy. Come on. Tada. Oh, yeah. Thank you, trainer Mariam. Thank you, Mr. Rex. Did you win? We was in the dolphin show, and all the friends saw the dolphins and the seals do some dancing, yeah? What about now to see a bird do some dancing? By the way, are you good in dancing?
No.
I will not see you dancing? Okay. I'm good in Arabic dance, but let's check with the birds. Let's welcome now the stars of the show. From here, from there, from many different countries, coming to Dubai. Coco from Africa with trainer Marlon. Amiral from South America with trainer Ronnie. Pinky from Australia with trainer Maria. From Pakistan. The best. Nice style. Alright. Thank you, Tina Ronnie. Thank you, Tina Mariam. Also, Tina Mariam will show us how smart is the African mother. Yellow, full potassium in mouse, banana. Triangle green, avocado. Red, the color of love, and strawberry, falaula. And the last one, square, blue. Blueberry, the most expensive fruit ever. All the kids, look at the table. If you do this, mommy and daddy will be happy, and your teacher in the school also, they will be proud of you. Always clean your mess, document number, and help your mommy. And after you finish cleaning, what we should do? Coco, show the kids what we have to do. We have to close the basement. Woohoo! Now friends, I will ask you, no sounds, no shout. Why? Because Coco is coming to talk to you. How are you, Tina Mali? Good?
Thank you.
Alhamdulillah. Coco, we are here in Dubai. So what is the first words we have to say to the people in Arabic?
Alright, so say hello to everybody in Arabic.
Alaikum assalam alaikum. What do you want to ask my friend sitting here?
Hello everybody, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, we're doing good. What you will say in the morning?
How about in the morning?
Good morning, Coco. Can you tell everybody who's your best friend? Cat. Who's the one? Steal your food and run away every day. Oh, Coco, if you see a beautiful lady, what you will say? Only kidding, I kid myself. Coco, imagine oh no, wait a minute. We have a beautiful girl called Asia, and it's her birthday today. What you will say to her? Happy birthday to you for Asia, but if you forget to bring presents to her, then see the جيب لها هدايا, what you will say?
Bye-bye.
Bring sneakers for her, she's so beautiful girl. Thank you, Marlon. Thank you, Coco. Now it's time to do some magic with the birds. DJ Win, do you believe in magic? Yeah, me too. I'm a good magician. I will do magic with these cards, but I need help. So let me call somebody to help me. You boy and you boy come. راح اشيل كارت تخبيه ما يخليني اشوفه. Pick up one card, hide it, don't show it to me. Okay, guys, when I say three, I want both of you to show the cards to everybody like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, abracadabra. Alright, like this, like this. Give it to me without showing me. I will travel without looking. Give me a big high five. Give me a big high five. Have a seat. We'll see if the bird. Thank you. We'll see if the birds will know the cards. DJ Win. I will shuffle the cards, mix it like this without looking. Then I will put it in straight line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And Mr. John is here. Do you think he will know the cards? Maybe. Let's check. We are searching for 2 cards first. I'm done with the captain. DJ, what do you think the first card? Cats, maybe. Mr. John, is the cats? No, it's a macaw. Is that right?
Yeah.
I think the second one is wolf. Yes, wolf. It's a wolf, Johnny? Check this. What is this? Dog, is that right?
Yeah.
Thank you, Johnny. Thank you. Awesome trainer, Miriam. I like this music, DJ, and I have a ring. Dance hula hoop? No, I will call some kids. Asiya, come. Yes, you come. And boy, come. Stand here on this line. Asiya, come here. Here. Yeah. Catch the ring. Catch with her. Catch together from this side. And boy, catch with them from this side. Let's welcome together from Australia the blue-headed Amazon, the medium size of parrots. Yeah, have a seat. Thank Mr. Jungle, 6 years old with trainer Mariam. Rolling behind you. Say rolling the video, come. Yes. So smart, he have mentality like 5 to 6 years in human child old. Wow, Mr. Jungle, thank you, General London, Leah. Listen carefully, friends. I will show you how to feed this bird. Then I will call 2 ladies, not the kids. Look at me, you have to do the same what I'm doing now, please. Look at me. Hand straight without moving. Keep مستقيما بدون تحريك. The bird will eat. You should close your mouth quickly, lady. لازم تسكري كفة بسرعة. Now, I need 2 to try. Come. Yes. Let's go, lady. Without the baby, please. Lady, did you eat your lunch today? Yeah? Because we have a rule. Do not eat the bird's food. Okay, I'm watching you. Give your hand like this and don't move your hand. Yeah. This lovely bird from Brazil, how can we recognize the male and the female? By the size of the mouth. Close your mouth. Yeah. The small mouth is a girl, the big mouth is a boy. Yes, Ria, fly to the trainer. Let's welcome Mr. Eugene the Hawk Harris. One of the best hunters around the world, من أفضل الصيادين بالعالم. He can fly more than 400 kilometers in 1 hour. يطير أكثر من 400 كيلومتر بساعة واحدة. How can we recognize the male and the female? When they have a baby, sometimes the father tries to kill the baby. The mother always saves the baby, so the big size is the mother. When they have, لما يكون عندهم أطفال، غالبا الأب بالفطرة بيدي أطفاله، فالأم تحمي أطفالها فحجمها أكبر. Ronnie, can you tell my friends what did you feed him today? شو طعميته اليوم ليوجين؟ KFC chicken. Spicy or regular? Spicy. Combo? With what? Biryani. Can I be using the hot? Yeah? Okay. After the show. Thank you. Now, about food we talk, let's talk about basketball with food. How? I will tell you. Two birds will come here to play basketball with these balls. Did you win? You will choose a team from the birds, I will choose a team. If you lose this game, you will bring shawarma to everybody here. Yeah? Okay, choose your team. Mariam, who would support Tijuan and Mariam? Raise your hand up. Who would support my team with Marlon? The same team? Okay, let's go. Let's support the both teams. Look at this. One more time, Amazon. We want shawarma, habibi. Come on, Amazon. Amazon. 1-0 for DJ, okay? This is the first round. Thank you, trainers. Let's play basketball on the table. This time the birds will play basketball here. Good salah ta'ala. Did you win? My friends here today to enjoy. Yeah? So not only shawarma if you lose. You will ask everybody one by one what they want to drink. 7-Up, Miranda, Pepsi. Yeah, friends? Yeah. You have money or you will run after the show? You will run. Good answer. This time I will choose my team first. رح اختار فريقي بالأول. Oh, blue-headed Amazon. I'm with blue-headed. Yeah. Let's go. Yes, boy. I'm with you. Come on. Let's go. The ball. Coco, you will not win. Okay. You are happy, no shawarma. Why you are happy? Thank you, blue-headed. Thank you, Coco. Let's play the final now. Yes, I know. Yeah. Maybe you don't like shawarma. Yeah, now let's go. Come on. 1 point only. Maybe you can bring Pepsi for us. You are happy? No shawarma. Thank you, go, thank you, blue-headed. Thank you. After the bird finish the painting, the kids will tell me what's the painting look like by raise the hands up. في طير راح يجي يرسم، بعد ما يخلص رسم الأطفال راح يخبروني شو الرسمة بتشبه برفع اليد. Let's welcome together one of the lovely birds around the wall, Mr. John Picasso, the artist, the painter, the white angel, Al-Malak Al-Abyad. Check that side, he's coming now with a trainer. The white, silvery, Chris Kakatu. This bird will, so amazing bird, you will be surprised with him. Check what he will do. And when we talk about the white silvery Chris Kakatu, this bird famous in many countries like Indonesia, Papua New Guinea and Australia. Eat many kinds of fruits like watermelon, seeds, nuts and berries, living in very big groups. And how can we recognize the male and the female? With the white Kakatu, Ma'al Kakatu Abyad, by the color of the eye, belong line. If the color of the eye is black, he's a boy, the long line Aswad Sabi. If the color of the eye is red, she's a girl, long line Ahmar Tumbin. We have to know which kind of Kakatu we're talking about because there is 16 species of Kakatus around the world. They can live after 60 to 100 years, especially the black Kakatu can live more than 100 years with one partner. Let me ask Baba here. Baba, you can live with the same partner more than 100 years? Yeah, good answer. You saved yourself. Now, kids, raise your hand up and tell me what's the painting look like. Yes. Yes, answer. Rainbow. Oh, good answer. Yes. Bird. Here. Cat. Let me ask DJ. Wait. DJ, he's a good painter. What's the painting look like? Butterfly? Mr. John, it's a butterfly? Somebody say it's a rainbow. Woohoo! It's a rainbow. Thank you, Mr. John. Thank you, awesome trainer Male. One more time from Brazil to Dubai. This country, Brazil, have too much amazing birds. So let's welcome the cousins of Tom and Jerry. Before we welcome, trainer Ronaldo will do the first round, Mr. Prince. Then he will come to you for the kids to try. So let's welcome from this side the cousins of Tom and Jerry, Timon and Pumbaa. The lovely Sancornios, Asafir Shams, the national bird of Brazil. Also living in very big groups. بيعيشوا بمجموعات كبيرة. Eats many kinds of fruits like watermelon, seeds, nuts, and berries also. They have many amazing colors on the body. Please don't raise your hands up, the trainer will come to you. We'll try to make it with all the kids, inshallah. Come on, come on, come on, come on, kids, up, up. Where is he going? I will tell you. One more station. Where? المحطة القادمة هي Dubai Mall. Why Dubai Mall? Window shopping. We don't have money, but take 20 dirham and run. Oh yeah. Thank you, Mr. Blue. Now it's time to play some games with mathematics. This time I will call somebody from the first team. I think what digit number? ثانية واحدة بدي اجي اقول خانتين. Maybe 15. I will ask Mr. Blue. Mr. Blue, can you know which number my friend wrote there at the board? If you can, show us. Is this your number? Show everybody, please. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Thank you. You want to know? Ask the bird. Hey, friends, if I tell you how, the company will throw me out. I will not lose my job. Yeah, let's go and play some games with magic. This time I wanted to focus with me. ركزوا معي لو سمحتوا. One ball, 3 cups. I will shuffle the cups. You will tell me where's the ball by the number. After this, a bird will complete the game. Listen. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Remember. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Practice round and جرب تشرب. Where's the ball? MashaAllah. Okay. Okay. Vaccine, they have focus with me. Yalla. One more practice round. Where's the ball? Hello. Hello. Good. Listen, I'm the best magician in Dubai. I will not lose. ما راح أخسر. DJ, give me music. I will challenge them. راح أتحداهم. Abracadabra. You know what, DJ? Every time you make magic, make something special. Don't make that money see you. Yalla. Where's the ball? I told you, let's put something. They saw me. No ball. No ball. No ball. No ball. What is this? What? He found it. Okay, this time, you everybody, cameras ready. It's time to see one of the largest birds around the world from Russia to Dubai. Let's welcome Mr. Andre the Giant. Weight from 5 to 6 kilograms, from 5 to 6 kilograms. Listen, friends. The world's largest stellar sea eagle. The only one in Dubai, الوحيد الموجود بدبي. By the way, 4 years old is still a baby. 4 سنوات بعده baby. We are close for your safety. Put your hand like this. Raise your hand up. We'll take a picture, bring it and give it to you. We have 3 special offers for the pictures, and this bird only mommy and daddy can hold. Thank you, awesome trainer Ronnie. Thank you, Andre, the world's largest stellar sea eagle. We have 3 offers, 3 special offers for the pictures. I will tell you about that. عروض كمان صور. 3 banners.